Welcome to this video where we analyze Microsoft OneLake and Microsoft Fabric in the context of creating new business value from connecting structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data. My name is Jesper Lövgren and I'm an enterprise architect with DXC. I specialize in helping organizations transform to become data-driven.
And my name is Haibo Yang. I'm a principal data architect specialized in modernizing data platforms and analytic solutions to enable organizations with high-quality insights and decisions. In this video, we'll be looking at the power and the potential of connecting structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data sources using Microsoft OneLake and Fabric to enable data-driven organizations and bring their capabilities to the next level.
Microsoft is aggressive in the data market. They recently announced an investment of $10 billion into ChatGPT, and that made ChatGPT for free in Bing, Microsoft's own search engine. ChatGPT is currently being integrated into a number of Microsoft products, and we believe the most significant one will be Dynamics 365 Copilot. Dynamics 365 Copilot uses ChatGPT-4 to provide AI-powered assistance to complete tasks such as writing emails, creating reports, creating PowerPoint presentations, managing customer relationships. But Microsoft also targets the data and analytics market with offerings in data warehouse technology. A data warehouse enables ingestion and analytical processing of structured data. Examples of structured data include data created or managed in CRMs and ERPs. Structured data is stored in relational databases, which enables efficient data processing and access, but it is expensive. Data lake technology. A data lake enables ingestion and analytical processing of semi-structured and unstructured data. Examples of semi or unstructured data include data in spreadsheets, websites, emails, images, and video. Semi and unstructured data is stored in cloud storage, which is much cheaper than databases, which is important because most organizations have more semi and unstructured data than structured data. But access and processing is more difficult and often requires specialist resources and skills such as data scientists. Data lakehouse technology. A data lakehouse combines the benefits of the data warehouse and the data lake, offering affordable storage for all of an organization's data. And here is where Microsoft made its latest play, announcing OneLake as its data lake technology and Fabric as its data lakehouse technology. What is the potential of integrating structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data? What can an organization expect to achieve?
Data collected from different systems and applications is often not directly compatible with each other and will require complex logic to integrate and make sense of. Data silos are becoming more common and costly to modern organizations and prevent effective digital transformation, automation, reporting, analytics, and AI use cases. Microsoft Fabric, powered by OneLake, is considered a game changer because of its ability of connecting, analyzing, and governing all types of data in your organization. Being able to join and correlate structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data sets can generate holistic insights into business operations and optimizations at all levels. In the agriculture and farming industry, we can leverage the power of Microsoft Fabric and OneLake to integrate structured data sets, including crop yields, soil composition, weather history, and semi-structured data sets such as moisture readings, real-time data from airflow sensors, with unstructured datasets combining satellite images and drone footages to correlate and generate powerful insights into optimal planting times, identify irrigation requirements, and optimize nutrient management strategies.
We hope you have enjoyed this video on structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data in the context of Microsoft OneLake and Microsoft Fabric. We hope to see you in our next video. Take care until then.